Welcome back to the channel, Ola Opulence. Guys, I appreciate you joining me today. We got another wonderful banger for you guys, and we are about to go straight into it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you punch that like button and comment in the section below. Guys, this unboxing I have been waiting for a long time to do this unboxing for you guys. So basically, I did get this particular pair, I want to say around about 5 months back, but I've been very busy with work and I've got more pairs in as well. You can see right behind me. I still have a lot of backlog to get to as well. I just got sidetracked, but I feel like before the end of this year, I had to sort this unboxing out for you guys. So as you can see, it is the Bike Air, the Nigel Sylvester Jordan 4 brick by brick. Man, what can I say about this? Oh my goodness, it is absolutely wonderful. And as you know, this for me, I know it's gonna be the sneaker of the year for a lot of people. This for me as well is gonna be my sneaker. Oh wait, I'm not saying it yet. First, let's do the unboxing. So you can see it's a rough texture over there, and you can see Bike Air right there. Okay, so you got the sizing, which is a size 10. That's for me. So I'm gonna lift the box right there. In there, that's what the box looks like. It's got like the kind of indentation from the Bike Air on the other side. There's one sticker in there. I think it's from where I got it from in a minute, and you can see it's got the authentication card right there, which shows that this is an authentic pair, which you all know on eBay that always comes with an authentic pair. So it looks like that, like a pair of bricks, you know, with that strap, that blue strap right there, the Velcro blue strap. We're gonna take it up, man. I'm a sucker for good packaging. This is a really nice packaging, guys, I must say. So I'm gonna lift that Velcro right there. Man, this is awesome, man. Like the packaging is absolutely beautiful. That goes like that. And then I'm gonna take out the very first foot. So it comes in this bag, basically looking like a brick. You know the way a brick comes in a bag. That's how it's set up right there. It's in the bag, so you have to open the sealed bag right there. It also has the YDM sticker on the inside right there. Let me unwrap it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what we got here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, bam! You can see right there, that is the Nigel Sylvester brick by brick 4s. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Check that out. How about that? That is wonderful. All right, I'm gonna take the other pair out, and then we can talk about the materials and the sizing and things like that. It's got the wrap as well that comes with a normal brick. It's just the concept of the packaging is really nice as well. Okay, so right there on the other foot, you can see it comes with the eBay tag right there. And that kind of confirms that the authenticity as well. And I think this is from the original seller on eBay. That is their tag, and which the other foot as well has it right there. So I will be taking it off, but when I do the on-feet, straight on the bottom right there, you can see it's a all red bottom right there, and it has the Nike in the middle with the swoosh, and the white pod over there, and surrounding with all the reds everywhere. And then on the front foot right there, it has the white pod right there, and then surrounding that is the all red. And then on the midsole, you obviously have the bubble right there, transparent, and that bubble inside it is a red bubble right there with a white, and at the bottom of the heel, going all the way to the other side as well, to where the bubble is. So it's a mix of red and off-white on the midsole, and you got your little mini Nike over there, Nike swoosh right there. The leather, I gotta tell you, this leather is absolutely beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, guys, check that out. Look at that. That is so nice. So on the mud guard, you have this rough, uh, almost like a sandpaper-like texture right there on the mud guard, and on the inside you have that nice suede. It's so nice, bro. Like, look at that. Just look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. You have that red lace as well. The netting, the side netting as well is in the red. And there's this reflective material on the inside of the netting right there. And you got that red laces as well. The tongue as well is red. You got your red jump man right there. And then the flight will be in white. Okay, if I can get closer right there, you can see the jump band there in white. And then on the back, you have that precious bike air. Oh my goodness. See that bike air right there? For me, that bike air is everything, bro. Like, it's so beautiful. I don't know, like, I don't know. When I look at it, it just gives me like that chill, bro. Like, it's so nice, you know. And then you got the back tab right there, and it's not as hard. It's kind of soft. It's not your normal typical Jordan 4 back tab, which is very, very nice. And on the inside, you've got that go in there on the sock lining, and it comes with the extra lace, which is a off-white lace right there. Okay, that's what the lace is looking like right there. And then on the inside of the, I'm gonna put this on down for a second. And then on the inside of the tongue, it says Jordan. On the inside, it says Jordan Biking Co. 2017 right there. Okay, so for me, I gotta tell you guys, this undisputed champion of this year, this is the undisputed champion of this year. And of course, you know, like, Complex picked it as the sneaker of the year as well. And for me, it's the same. This for me is definitely the sneaker of the year. And I'll say the undefeated, which is right there somewhere behind me. Yep, right there. That is a number two, a close number two, you know. But for me, I don't think there's any other sneaker that came, you know, that came close to being number one over this one right here. This is the undisputed. Okay, I'm not going to use that word because that is already the undefeated, but this is the champion of this year. It is a really, really nice shoe, man. Wow, man. Like, just look at the details on the leather, you know, and on the cage as well. Like, on that net at the bottom of it, it's a glow, like a reflective um uh 3M panel right there that kind of reflects in the dark. You know, it's a really, really nice shoe. On another day, I'll be doing a 3 outfit um, styling of this. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think about the complex sneaker of the year, guys. What do you think? Are you going to be trying to get this in your collection? And by the way, sizing recommendations as well is going to be a true to size for me. Jordan 4s is going to be true to size. You don't need to go up half a size or down the size or whatever. So just go through to your normal size and you should be good. If you're new to the channel, make sure you slap that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like contents like this, just make sure you have that notification bell on. And guys, that's all I got for you on the sneaker of the year, the Nigel Sylvester Brick by Brick. Okay, 4s. All right, so that's it, guys. Till the next one, Ola Opulence out.